Hey there, welcome to another episode of Hang Out with me in my kitchen space. In today's episode, let's make some Chinese fried rice, and these are the list of ingredients that I have. I have some soy sauce over here, some salt, cooking oil, some rice, and for the rice, it's best when you use leftover rice. The one that you prepared yesterday and left over, you can use that in today's recipe, and preferably the one that you left overnight in the fridge. Tachana moja moja, as you can see. I have my onions, and today I'm using the spring onions because they have so much flavor. I have some little bit of the red bell pepper, I have some black pepper, and I have my one egg. And without further ado, let's get started. I'll start by seasoning my egg with some salt. I'm going to do this. Let's proceed to the other side where we get started. Once my pan is hot enough, I'll go in with about half a teaspoon of cooking oil. And once that is also hot enough, I'll go in with my one egg. I don't want this complete, so I'm going to scramble it. At this point, my egg is done, so I'm going to set it aside. Then, I'm also going to add in about a tablespoon of cooking oil since my pan is already hot. Then, I'll go in with my onions. Then at this point, go in with your rice. Then I'll also go in with my other onions, the leaves, the capsicum for some color, and finally I'll add in my black pepper. Then I'll add about a pinch of salt because we're also using some soy sauce. Then I'll go in with some soy sauce. And we are going to mix this. So at this point, our rice is basically done, and I'll add in my eggs. And this is done. How simple was that? So I'm going to garnish this with some of my spring onion leaves, and voila, we are done. it was that easy preparing some fried vegetable rice, and I'm going to give this a taste test. This is something you can eat a whole bucket of rice. The different texture from the capsicum, the egg, the spring onion, and the rice. Beautiful. This is good. And by the way, this is a very great option to reheat your rice if at all you do not have a microwave, or if at all you have leftover rice. Please try out this recipe. That's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you also learned something new. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.